Hello, dear all. Today I have come with a beautiful poem, Village Song. We have got a chance to remember the great lady Sarojini Naidu. Before start our poem, for your kind information, I would like to say that Sarojini Naidu wrote two poems. Sarojini Naidu wrote two poems on the same title, Village Song. Okay, Sarojini Naidu wrote two poems on the same title, Village Song. The Village Song by Sarojini Naidu is one of the great pieces of Indian poetry. The Village Song by Sarojini Naidu is one of the great pieces of Indian poetry, showing the entire poem talks the dialogues between an Indian mother and a daughter. Okay, and her daughter, Indian mother and her daughter. So let's start our poem, and let's remember Sarojini Naidu. Look at here, Village Song about the poet. You should read it carefully. Name Sarojini Naidu, born 13 February 1879, Hyderabad, died 2nd March 1949, Lucknow. Nickname Nightingale of India. Everyone knows that she is the Nightingale of India. Alma mater, the old school. Alma mater means old school. King's College London, Girton College, Cambridge University. Occupation, political activist, poet, writer. Notable works, Golden Threshold, and in the bazaars of Hyderabad. Golden Threshold, your Village Song comes from your Golden Threshold. Okay, the poem. Look at the poem. Introduction. Sarojini Naidu has captured all these qualities of traditional folk poetry in her poems. In this poem are presented the voice of a mother. I have before told you that the entire poem talks about the dialogues between an Indian mother and a daughter. Okay, the of a mother pleading with her daughter, request to her daughter. Pleading means request with the daughter to wait for her betrothed to arrive, and that of the daughter who wishes to run off. Run off মানে পড়ে যাবাটা. Run off to the forest and remain a child. ସେ ପଳେଇ ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ ଫରେଷ୍ଟକୁ, ଆଉ ମଦରଟା ତାହାକୁ ଫ୍ଲିଡ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି not to go to the forest. And this is the poem. Actually this poem talks about the main theme of the poem, talks about the daughter does not want to live in the material world, and the mother wants from her daughter that she must live in this world, okay, in the material world, and but the daughter likes the natural world. Village Song, stanza 1. Honey child, whither are you going? Would you cast your jewels all to the breezes blowing? Would you leave the mother who on golden grain has fed you? Would you grieve the lover who is riding for toward you? Honey child, whither are you going? Honey means sweet, affectionate. The mother asks the child, the mother addressed the child as a honey, means dearest, affectionate, sweet child, whither are you going? माँ निजर झील के कहन जे स्वीट चाइल्ड, व्हेदर आर यू गोइंग, वेयर आर यू गोइंग? वुड यू कास्ट योर ज्वेल्स all to the bridges flowing? Would you cast mean throw away? Would you throw away your jewels all to the bridges flowing? Bridges means wind. Bridge means wind. Will you want to throw away your jewelry to the blowing breeze? Would you leave the mother who on golden grain has fed you? Would you leave the mother? तो से माँ को छाड़ी देवा को चाहूँ कि who on golden grain has fed you? Who जिए कि on golden grain means delicious food. Who fed you? Who has fed you the golden grain, the delicious food? Would you leave the mother? तो से माँ को छाड़ी देवा को चाहूँ कि Would you grieve the lover who is riding forth to wed you? Would you grieve the lover? Grieve means to cause to suffer, sorrow, ଦୁଃଖ। ତୁ ଦୁଃଖ ଦେବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁ କି? Would you grieve the lover? ସେ ଲଭରକୁ ଯିଏ ତୋତେ ବାହା ହେବାକୁ ଆସୁଛି ତାହାକୁ ତୁ ଦୁଃଖ ଦେଇଦେବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁ କି? ହୁ ଇଜ୍ ରାଇଡ଼ିଂ ଫୋର୍ଥ ଟୁ ୱେଡ୍ ୟୁ? ଯିଏ ହୁ ଇଜ୍ ରାଇଡ଼ିଂ ଘୋଡ଼ାରେ ବସିକି ଆସୁଛି, ହୁ ଇଜ୍ ରାଇଡ଼ିଂ ଫୋର୍ଥ ମିନ୍ସ ଟୁୱାର୍ଡ଼ସ୍ ଟୁ ୱେଡ୍ ୟୁ, ତୋତେ ବାହା କରିବା, ଟୁ ମେରି ୟୁ। ୱେଡ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ମେରି ୟୁ, ମାନେ the first stanza is the question that asks by the mother। से माटा पचारुछन क्वेश्चन करिसंती, okay, but the second stanza, look at the explanation of the stanza 1 explanation। The first stanza is filled with full of question from the mother to her daughter bride with distraught mind। Mother calls her honey child, asks where she is going। Would you cast your jewels all to the breezes blowing? This line is heart touching, look at it, this line is heart touching to the readers। She asks will she cast all the nicely baked ornaments away and about the marriage, and she asks again, will she leave her lovely mother who grew up her to this age by providing all the needs even in difficulty? Mother again asks her daughter if she is determined to make her groom cry। This stanza is an open heart of Indian motherhood। The girl is very young, thus she can accept a married life for the time being। She can't even think of that since she is standing for the mother's will, but her mind is still giddy। She prefers to stay unmarried। To her age, her present free life is far more enjoyable than a dull married life। married life अपेक्षा से ता लाइफ को एंजॉय करने को चाहे। She wants to go to the forest। Look at the stanza 2। If you want that, take the screenshot of this note of the explanation and read it carefully, okay? If you read it repeatedly, that you can understand very easily this poem, a beautiful poem also। ଭିଲେଜ ଦେଖ stanza 2। ମଦର ମାଇଣ୍ଡ, ସେଥିରେ ଝିଅଟି ମାଆଟି ଆକ୍ସ କରିଛନ୍ତି, ପଚାରିଛନ୍ତି, ଆଉ ଏଠାରେ ଝିଅଟି ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଉଛି, ମଦର ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ଟୁ ଦ ୱାଇଲ୍ଡ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଗୋଇଂ। ମଦର ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ମିନ୍ସ ମାଇଁ, ମୋର, ମଦର ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ମୋର ମା, ଟୁ ଦ ୱାଇଲ୍ଡ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଗୋଇଂ, ମୁଁ ୱାଇଲ୍ଡ ଫରେଷ୍ଟକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। ଟୁ ଦ ୱାଇଲ୍ଡ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଗୋଇଂ। Where upon the champa box, upon on the surface, ଉପରେ, when upon the champa box the champa birds are blowing, ଯେଉଁଠାରେ ଯେଉଁ ଜଙ୍ଗଲରେ, the champa box means trees, champa box means here champa trees। look at the word notes carefully, box here champa trees, okay। upon the champa box the champa birds are blowing। champa box ର ଗଛରେ ସେଇ ଚମ୍ପା ବଗରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି, birds but an incompletely open flower, जे फ्लावरटा कम्प्लीट नहीं होते ताली माने कण कढ़ जहाँ कहते जहाँ कहूँ। चंपा बर्ड्स आर ब्लोइंग टू द कोयल हंटेड रिवर आइजल्स where lotus lilies glisten। to the coil hunted means the place visited regularly by the coils। जेटा कोयल पक्षी रेगुलारली विजिट करती जे स्थान की, रिवर आइजल्स, रिवर आइजल्स मीन्स है आइलैंड, ओके, स्मॉल आइलैंड को आम कहूँ रिवर आइजल्स बोली। टू द कोयल हंटेड रिवर आइजल्स व्हेयर लोटस लिली ग्लिस्टेन, जो स्थान की लोटस लिलीज पद्म फूल कई फूल, ग्लिस्टेन माने ग्लिटरिंग, स्पार्कलिंग, शाइनिंग, चकचक करुची। द भॉइसेस ऑफ द फेरी फॉक आर कॉलिंग मी। द भॉइसेस, द शब्द ऑफ द फेरी फॉक मीन्स फेरीज, परी मानकर शब्द, आर कॉलिंग मी, मते डाकुछंती, ओ लिसन, माँ शुण। फर्स्ट स्टांजा माँ पचारे, 2 नंबर स्टांजा रे झीटी उत्तर दूची। एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ स्टांजा 2, लुक एट द एक्सप्लेनेशन। The girl replies she is going to the forest where champa trees are laden with champa birds and beautiful flowers। जोठारे कि चंपा ट्रीज अच्छी जहाँकि ब्यूटीफुल चंपा बर्ड्स रे भरपूर अच्छे, ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स सहित। लुक एट द चंपा ट्रीज हियर, सॉरी योर लिलीज, okay, are laden with champa birds and beautiful flowers। The river flowing by the forest has many tiny islands that are a home for quails, Asian quail bird. You know that. The shining lotus and lilies add more charm to the forest. She tells the fairy folk are calling her. The girl is fascinated by the charm nature. In her perception, the married life is mundane. Thus, she prefers pleasure from the nature than a dull married life. She does not want to live in the material world and just don't like to marry. ସେ ଚାହୁଁନାହିଁ ଟୋଟାଲି ମ୍ୟାରେଜ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଓକେ ସେ ବଞ୍ଚିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ସି ୱାଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଟୁ ଲିଭ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ ନେଚର୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ ଲ୍ୟାପ୍ ଅଫ୍ ନେଚର୍ ପ୍ରକୃତିର କୋଳରେ ବଞ୍ଚିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ ଷ୍ଟାଞ୍ଜା 3 ଦେଖ honey child the world is full of pleasure honey child the world is full of pleasure पृथ्वीटा प्लीजर खुशी रे बहुत भर पुणी माँ कहचन जे हनी चाइल्ड द वर्ल्ड इज फुल ऑफ प्लीजर पृथ्वीटा पूरा प्लीजर रे भरपूर प्लीजर मीन्स हनी चाइल्ड स्वीट चाइल्ड प्लीजर मीन्स डिलाइट और जॉय खुशी ऑफ ब्रिडल सॉन्ग एंड क्रैडल सॉन्ग एंड सैंडल सेंट्रल लीजर से केन खुशीटा सेटा ऑफ ब्रिडल सॉन्ग मीन्स मैरिज सॉन्ग एंड क्रैडल सॉन्ग मीन्स लुलुबाई ए सॉन्ग टू क्विट एंड चिल्ड्रेन छोट छुआ मन को चुपड़ा वाले जो गीतटा बोला जाए ऑफ ब्रिडल सॉन्ग एंड क्रैडल सॉन्ग एंड सैंडल सेंटेड लीजर सैंडल सेंटेड माने द सैडो अंडर द सैंडल माने होची चंदन गछर से चंदन जंगल कण द सैडो माने छाई तार अंडर छाईटा माने सैंडल सेंटेड लीजर माने द सैडो अंडर द सैंडलवुड जंगल गछ से छाईर आनंद ब्रिडाल सॉन्ग आनंद क्रैडल सॉन्ग आनंद द वर्ल्ड इज फुल ऑफ प्लीजर क्यों फुल ब्रिडाल सॉन्ग रे क्रैडल सॉन्ग आउ सैंडल लीजर योर ब्रिडाल रोप्स आर इन द लूम लुक एट हियर इज द लूम if you see that you can understand what is the loom okay look at here a bridal song and cradle song and sandal leisure your bridal ropes are in the loom the bridal ropes loom रे अछि loom बोले कौन loom a frame of machine where dresses are made जोटे ड्रेस तैयारी करा जाए your bridal ropes are in the loom silver and saffron glowing से bridal ropes रो कलर किपरि silver and saffron दुइतर मिक्स कलर silver और saffron glowing your bridal cakes are on the hearth oh whether are you going your bridal cakes bridal ropes loom रे तैयारी होची are in the loom रे अछि silver and saffron glowing color रो bridal ropes आउ your bridal cake on the hearth माने चुली माने fireplace oh whether are you going whether means where are you going honey child world is full of pleasure भरपूर ब्रिडाल सॉन्ग अच्छी से प्लीजरटा कौन कर ब्रिडाल सॉन्ग क्रैडल सॉन्ग सैंडल लीजर योर ब्रिडाल रोप्स आर इन द लूम रे रेडी होची सिल्वर एंड सैफ्रन ग्लोइंग कलर बहुत एट्रैक्टिव कलर योर ब्रिडाल केक्स आर ऑन द हार्थ ब्रिडाल केक्स हार्थ रे अच्छी फायर प्लेस रे अच्छी ओ वेदर आर यू गोइंग तू जाऊछु कोडे वेदर आर यू गोइंग मदर अगेन ट्राइज टू केस देखो फर्स्ट आंसर मदर चार्टा क्वेश्चन 4 क्वेश्चन आक्स तापर स्टांजा 2 पुणी रिप्लाई डॉटर रिप्लाई एस्टा एक्चुअली दिस सीन एंड दिस प्लॉट सेट इन ए विलेज रे सेट होइचे हला विलेज रे एटा कन्वर्सेशनटा होइचे गोटे गाँवली एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ स्टांजा 3 मदर अगेन ट्राइज टू केस द daughter's attention she reminds her about the many pleasures of the world and wedded life bridal song are beautiful motherhood and cradle song will give much pleasure and fulfill the life mother also reminds her of the pleasure of marital leisure mother then brings her attention toward her attire her bridal robes are made using loom in glowing saffron and silver color what is the color of the bridal robes what is the color saffron and silver color combination okay her bridal cakes and dishes are getting ready her mother reminds her all of these to console her and tries to stay back in the wedding happiness okay पुणी से माँ कहूचन ताके वर्ल्ड फुल ऑफ प्लीजर कहली से क्या प्लीजर माने सैंडल सेंटल लीजर रे क्रेडल सॉन्ग ब्राइडल सॉन्ग बट देखो तार आंसर काना हो झीर विलेज सॉन्ग देख स्टांजा 4 द ब्राइडल सॉन्ग एंड क्रेडल सॉन्ग हैव कैडेंसेस ऑफ सोरो द ब्राइडल सॉन्ग कैडेंसेस ना रिदम पेस माने हो काना स्रोत द ब्राइडल सॉन्ग एंड क्रेडल सॉन्ग हैव कैडेंसेस ऑफ सोरो दुख दुखर स्रोत कौड़ा द ब्राइडल सॉन्ग और क्रेडल सॉन्ग हैव अच्छी कैडेंसेस ऑफ सोरो दुखर ताहा कैडेंसेस स्रोत द cadences माने स्रोत the laughter of the sun today the wind of the dead tomorrow the laughter of sun happiness pleasure of living today's world the laughter of the sun today the wind of death tomorrow wind of death means loss or sorrow कालीर आजिर खुशीटा तार माने happiness is not permanent today is permanent happiness turn into tomorrow death means tomorrow sorrow माने ये जगह द लाफ्टर ऑफ द सन मीन्स होचे प्लेजर ऑफ लिविंग टुडेस हैप्पीनेस और द वाइंड ऑफ डेथ टुमारो अपकमिंग सोरो लॉस वाइंड ऑफ डेथ मीन्स टुमारो सोरो फास्ट स्वीटर साउंड द फॉरेस्ट नोट्स वेयर द फॉरेस्ट स्ट्रीम्स आर कॉलिंग फास्ट स्वीटर साउंड स्वीटर कंपैरिजन करा होची स्वीट स्वीटर स्वीटेस्ट फास्ट स्वीटर साउंड द फॉरेस्ट नोट्स मीन्स म्यूजिक ऑफ नेचर जेटा कोथरु बाहरुची वेयर फॉरेस्ट स्ट्रीम आर फॉलोइंग सही फॉरेस्ट स्ट्रीम रे जो म्यूजिक ऑफ नेचर बाहरुची तार गीतटा जे कुळुकुळु नादटा मते अट्रैक्ट करूची फास्ट स्वीटर साउंड द फॉरेस्ट नोट्स फॉरेस्ट संगीतरा मते अट्रैक्ट करूची देन द ब्राइडल सॉन्ग एंड योर क्रेडल सॉन्ग फास्ट स्वीटर साउंड द फॉरेस्ट नोट्स वेयर फॉरेस्ट स्ट्रीम्स आर फॉलोइंग जोठारे फॉरेस्ट स्ट्रीम माने झरणा आर फॉलिंग बहुची ओ मदर माइन हे मोर माँ आई कैन स्टे द फेरी फक आर कॉलिंग मु अटकी पारिबी नहीं द फेरी फक आर कॉलिंग से फेरी फक माने मते डाकुछंती माने परी माने मते डाकुछंती ओके एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ स्टांजा 4 एक्सप्लेनेशन द ब्राइड सोरो फेड द हैप्पीनेस ऑफ द वेडिंग सेलिब्रेशन एज ए फिलोसोफर गोटे दर्शन तत्व हिसाब से कहूँ द गर्ल सेज दार्शनिक हिसाब से कहूँ द लाफ्टर ऑफ द सन टुडे द वाइंड ऑफ द डेड टुमोरो द हैप्पीनेस ऑफ लाइफ इज नॉट परमानेंट हैप्पीनेस ऑफ लाइफ इज नॉट परमानेंट दे विल कम एंड फेड दिन दिन लिभि जाए मिली जाए टुडेज हैप्पीनेस मे बी टुमोरो सोरो आज हैप्पीनेस कालिर दुख हो पारे सी स्टिल फाइंड्स द साउंड्स ऑफ फॉरेस्ट विथ स्ट्रीम एंड टीनी आइलैंड्स इज मोर हैप्पियर प्लेस क्रेडल सॉन्ग को ब्राइडल सॉन्ग रो म्यूजिक ऑफ नेचर मोर हैप्पियर लगी द चार्म ऑफ द स्ट्रीम फॉरेस्ट द सॉन्ग ऑफ द कोयल आर एंडलेस सोर्स ऑफ प्लेजर दे नेवर फेड अवे सी सेज ओ मदर माइन हे मोर माँ आई कैन नॉट स्टे द फेरी फॉक आर कॉलिंग द पोएम एंड्स विथ द स्ट्रॉन्ग डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ द गर्ल to leave the home and spend the life in the lap of the nature lap mane kola of the nature which can give ultimate pleasure to her जेटा कि ताकू सबठार बहुत बड़ खुशी से लुक एट द पिक्चर हियर ए फेरी परीर फोटो look at there's some objective questions and answer. Who is the poet of the poem Village Song? Sarojini Naidu. Whom does the mother address as honey child? Her daughter. Why does the mother address her as honey child? Because the daughter is sweet to her. What would the girl cast to the blowing bridges? Her jewels. Who has fed the child on golden grain? The mother. What do you mean by the expression golden grain? Delicious food. Who is riding for to wed the girl? The lover. Why does the honey child go to the wild forest? Why should she leave the mother and grieve the lover? She wants to go to the wild forest. What are blowing off on the champa box? The champa box. The golden threshold. Remember it. This poem come from your golden threshold. The collection of poem. The golden threshold. Which place is frequently visited by the quails? The river Azores. Which flower would the girls see in the river Azores? The champa, lotus and lilies. What does the mother say about the world? The world is full of pleasure. What are the two songs mentioned in the poem? The two songs are bridal song and cradle song. What do you mean by the bridal song and cradle song? Bridal song means marriage song and cradle song means lullaby. Where are the bridal robes? In the loom. What is the color of the bridal robe? Silver and saffron. Objective question आओ देखो 18 number. Where are the bridal cakes? On the hearth. Which sound is more sweeter? The sound of the forest notes. What do you mean by forest notes? What do you mean by forest notes? Music of nature. Water falling in the forest stream. The poem appears to be conversation between two persons. Who are they? A mother and her daughter. Where is the plot of the poem Village Song set in a village? What do you mean by the expression the laughter of the sun, the pleasure of living? What do you mean by the expression the wind of death, loss or sorrow? What is common about bridal song or cradle song? Both have the condition of sorrow. Okay, thank you. Repeat करो बारंबार पढ़ो and if you want to take the screenshot and write down the objectives for your better knowing. Thank you. Give your comments. How do you feel about this video? Give your comments. Thank you. Thank you so much. Need your feedback.